started out in production and moved all the way to producing. So, I mean, what I've learned is from life experiences to be used into filmmaking. I'm happy to share some life experiences and generally to ask you, what do you think producing is? So yeah, the first phase is, I would say is identifying the story you want to tell. कि कौन सी कहानी है जो हम बताना चाहते हैं और हम ये क्यों बताना चाह रहे हैं. Just some general, I mean this is not like a white paper that you have to write about all this. It is just generally like, what is this story? Okay, it's fair to ask, what is this story? It gives you a little one-arm distance from the love of the project or the person behind it to just think for yourself, what is this story? हमें क्यों, why are we going on this journey? And then the next phase is packaging. Usually packaging is very underestimated. You know, packaging is a key role of a producer, which is like, अगर ये कहानी है, इसके लिए best director हमारी नज़र में कौन है? Best screenwriter हमारी नज़र में, हमारे access में, हमारी periphery में, through our knowledge, through our access कौन है? You know, एक तो idol list हो सकती है, that maybe for this it is Rohit Shetty. But if you don't have access to Rohit Shetty, and maybe he will not, he'll have other 10 things to do. So you have to start from where you are as a producer. That's what I have done. Where I am in my world, it can be first time. It can be somebody जिसका आपने काम देखा है, जिसको आपको लगता है कि potential है, and that's how you start. You find your tribe and you start like this. So the second thing is packaging, which is usually very underestimated. So to learn the art of packaging is the time you spend in the industry. You know, it is not, matlab execution is one thing, you know, where you have to do the production. And you can get teams, you can learn that process as you start straight in execution. You know, जब भी आप कहीं internship करोगे, कहीं काम करोगे, you will be in execution part. So just to know that the first phase is identifying, the second phase is packaging, कि ये बन कैसे रहा है, you know, and in the packaging it is writer, director, actors, music composer, just some broad picture कि अच्छा ये main हमारे इस तरह से ये बनेगा, इस तरह से ये shape up होगा. Then comes the phase of raising the money according to the package, according to the talent you have, that kind of money that you can raise from the market. Now each of this you can further go down in each of these stages, and I can talk in length about each of these stages. So now first stage, identifying what story and why. Second stage, packaging, who the director, why, who's the writer, why, who will be the actors, why those actors, is it because of talent or financial, or what is that package. Then the next phase is execution. I would say before execution you raise the money. Once you have the money, then you get into execution, then post-production, then marketing, then distribution. So just underlining this whole life of a project can be a short, can be a short documentary. How many of you have seen Period End of Sentence? Okay, awesome. Thank you. So it can be a short documentary, it can be a feature, it can be a feature doc, it can be fiction series, it can be non-fiction series, it can be docu-series. So there are all these kinds of, you know, putting out content in the world, in the universe, for a platform, for theatrical. So now at least कुछ 4 साल पहले जब Netflix, Amazon आया, तब से हमारी दुनिया काफ़ी बड़ी हो गई है. I mean, at least in terms of content, the life of being in content has increased. The opportunities have definitely increased across, because there is just so much content more that needs to be made. Someone will make it, right? So in all those bifurcations, पहले it used to only be feature films and then largely divided as Bollywood. And now the independent community, that's where I thrive. The independent community is also thriving. There is also series, there is also docus, there is also shorts. So the spectrum of work opportunities have definitely increased. So all of you are in a very good time, you know. But to be mindful while you are studying, to be mindful that okay, and to have this articulation is basic. Ki, acha, this is a short, this is a short doc. I have seen 10 kinds of short docs, I have seen 10 kinds of docu features, I have seen 10 kinds of non-fiction shows. So you know what you are doing, so you know which, you know, where this is and what is the experience that you are gaining and what is your interest. You know, you can totally be in non-fiction and it is doing extremely well. There are very, very few people in that. You can totally be in fiction, you can totally be in Bollywood, you can totally be in independent, you can be in our world of lunchboxes and masans, and you can totally be in the world of Farah Khan, Rohit Shetty, you know, just whatever spectrum you like, whatever story, however you, and always step back and ask yourself, what is the best format for this story? Questions like this will arise with experience, with work, with more exposure, but it is fair, you know, to be armed with this thought कि what is the best way of telling this story आज के ज़माने में especially because क्योंकि इतने सारी opportunities है, you can do a short documentary and go all the way to the Oscars. You know, everything doesn't have to be a feature film. You can do a short film and go all the way to can have a larger footprint, you know, and can definitely show your art and your mind of doing things, which will further maybe 10x your footprint and your job opportunities. So you can totally do, you can start anywhere. There is no rules to this game. So yeah, this is largely I felt like I wanted to tell you how I think when I look at a project. I always ask कि अच्छा ये fiction है, ये non-fiction है, ये documentary है, ये even in the world of documentary there is, even in the world of non-fiction there is documentary, there is reality, like you see a lot of reality TV, which is a lot of, you know, very thriller based, moving people's emotions. That is a very reality TV. And then there is observational documentaries. There is extremely, they move you, they're very observational, they're long drawn out. There is also, you know, When They See Us or Wild Wild Country, which is a very different format of non-fiction, which is semi-fiction, semi-non-fiction, dramatized non-fiction, that's called dramatized non-fiction. So one has to be just aware of kinds of storytelling, and I think the more and more that the time you enter the industry, this is, I still feel India is at a younger place in terms of a non-fiction or a documentary footprint, but the kind of work that's happening globally, which is going to happen here, and so few people are working in that front, that art of storytelling, which is either observational or it is dramatized non-fiction. So it's the spectrum is huge.